Drones take to the skies. The future of warfare is here, and it's flying high above us. All right, petrol heads, buckle up because we're diving headfirst into the world of drones in warfare. These aren't just any drones, they're sophisticated, high-tech machines designed for modern combat. Forget rusty old tanks and clunky fighter jets. Those relics of the past are being replaced by something far more advanced and efficient. These days, it's all about sleek, unmanned aircraft dominating the skies. These drones are not only faster and more agile, but also capable of performing complex maneuvers that manned aircraft could only dream of. They're changing how battles are fought. With their ability to carry out precision strikes and gather real-time intelligence, drones are revolutionizing military strategy. And guess what? They're changing how much wars cost too. The efficiency and effectiveness of drones mean that military operations can be conducted with fewer resources and lower risks to human life. We're talking serious tech here, not just your mate's toy helicopter. These drones are equipped with cutting-edge technology, making them formidable tools in any military arsenal. Military drones are packed with cameras, sensors, and even weapons. They can conduct surveillance, gather intelligence, and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy. They can fly for hours, sometimes even days, without a human pilot needing a cup of tea. This endurance allows them to perform long-term missions that would be impossible for manned aircraft. Think of them as the ultimate remote-controlled warriors. Operated from miles away, these drones can be deployed in dangerous environments without putting human lives at risk. The future of warfare is here, and it's unmanned. Here's a question for you. Ever dreamt of owning a fighter jet? Imagine the thrill of soaring through the skies at supersonic speeds, the sheer power at your fingertips. Yeah, me too. Problem is, those things cost a king's ransom. We're talking millions of dollars just to get one off the ground. But what if there was a cheaper way to rule the skies? A way that doesn't break the bank, but still gives you that high-flying experience. That's where drones swoop in. These modern marvels are changing the game. Building and maintaining traditional warplanes is seriously expensive. The costs are astronomical. You've got the pilots to train, the fuel to buy, and the constant need for maintenance. And don't even get me started on the repairs. Every little fix can cost a fortune. Drones? They're like the economical hatchback of the skies, affordable, efficient, and incredibly versatile. They cost a fraction to build and run. You get more bang for your buck. Plus, no pilots mean no risking precious lives in the heat of battle. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. So, what exactly do these airborne robots get up to? Well, imagine you're a general planning a big operation. You need intel, and you need it fast. That's where drones come in handy. They're like hawks, circling high above, their cameras capturing every little detail below. They can scope out enemy positions, track movements, and even eavesdrop on conversations. And the best part, they do it all without putting a single soldier in harm's way. Section 4. Money, money, money. How drones change the game. Now, let's talk numbers, shall we? The financial implications of drone technology in the military are staggering. Drones aren't just changing the way wars are fought. They're shaking up the whole financial game. The cost-effectiveness of drones is a game changer. Remember how we said they're cheaper than jets? Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. The initial investment in drone technology is significantly lower than traditional aircraft. Because drones reduce the need for massive ground operations, they slash the costs of fuel, transport, and all that logistical jazz. The savings on logistics alone are monumental. Plus, with fewer boots on the ground, there's less risk of casualties, which is a significant factor. This means less money spent on medical care and compensation. The financial benefits extend beyond just the battlefield. It's a whole new world of military budgeting. The ripple effect of these savings can be felt across the entire defense budget. Funds can be reallocated to other critical areas, such as research and development, enhancing overall military capabilities. The future of military operations is being reshaped, and drones are at the forefront of this transformation. As we continue to innovate, the financial landscape of defense will evolve, making way for more efficient and cost-effective solutions. The era of drones is not just about advanced technology, it's about smarter spending and strategic financial planning. And in this new era, every dollar saved is a step towards a more sustainable and powerful military force. Section 5. Drones, heroes or villains. Now, before we get too carried away with all this drone-tastic tech, we need to talk about the downsides. Because, like any powerful tool, drones can be used for good or for, well, not so good. On the one hand, they can deliver aid to disaster zones and monitor environmental changes. On the other hand, they can be used to carry out targeted killings, which raises a whole heap of ethical questions. It's a debate that's raging on as we speak. Section 6. So, what's next for drones and warfare? So there you have it, folks. The world of drones is a wild ride of cutting-edge tech, cost-cutting measures, and some seriously tricky ethical dilemmas. But one thing's for sure, drones are here to stay. As technology keeps evolving, who knows what the future holds? Will we see swarms of autonomous drones battling it out in the skies? Will artificial intelligence be calling the shots? It's a brave new world out there, and drones are leading the charge.